Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches for changing tires that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AO-Ben 21V cordless impact wrench. This model packs a solid punch with a maximum torque of 400 Newton meters and a top speed of 3,000 RPM. Making it a reliable tool for light to moderate tasks, such as motorcycle maintenance and small construction projects. Its 4.0 Ah Li-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance, so you won't need to worry about running out of juice mid-task. Plus, the fast charger gets you back to work quickly. The lightweight and ergonomic design is a bonus, especially for users who value comfort during extended use. However, while this wrench is great for everyday use, it lacks the raw power needed for tackling heavy-duty jobs efficiently. The included tool bag and 6 driver sockets are practical additions, but the torque output may feel underwhelming if you're looking for something to handle large bolts or truck tires. Overall, this is a solid choice for general maintenance tasks and hobbyists, but it may not satisfy professionals who need maximum power. Pros include its lightweight design, decent speed control, and long-lasting battery. Cons are its lower torque compared to competitors and limited suitability for heavy-duty applications. If you're just getting started with impact wrenches or need a reliable tool for smaller projects, this one fits the bill. Coming in at number 4 is the GevaLife brushless impact wrench, which delivers a powerful 650 newtons of torque and a max speed of 3,300 RPM. Its standout feature is the brushless motor, offering a longer lifespan and better energy efficiency compared to traditional motors. The included two 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide extended runtime, allowing up to 160 minutes of continuous operation. With 3 speed modes and 2 auto-stop functions, this wrench is versatile and ideal for tasks ranging from car repairs to DIY furniture assembly. While the GevaLife impact wrench is packed with features, its heavier build, 8.97 pounds, might feel cumbersome during prolonged use. However, it compensates with a wide range of accessories, including 6 impact sockets, drill bits, screwdriver bits, and a sturdy toolbox for easy storage. This model is perfect for users looking for a powerful tool with plenty of customization options, but its weight and price point may deter casual users. Pros of this wrench are its impressive torque, versatile speed modes, and comprehensive accessory kit. Cons include its relatively heavy design and suitability mainly for larger projects. If you're looking for a reliable powerhouse for professional or semi-professional use, this one's a great pick. At number 3, we have the ErgoEye cordless impact wrench, a beast in its own right with a whopping 800 Newton meters of torque and a max speed of 3,300 RPM. This model excels at heavy-duty tasks, effortlessly removing stubborn bolts and handling demanding jobs like truck tire changes or furniture assembly. Its brushless motor ensures high efficiency and durability, while the 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide extended runtime. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, making it easier to work in low-light conditions. The ErgoEye wrench also features variable speed control and a reverse auto-stop function, which are excellent for precision work. However, despite its impressive power, its slightly heavier design, 4 pounds, and higher price may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers or those seeking a more compact tool. The accessory kit is generous, including 7 impact sockets and various adapters, making this an all-in-one solution for serious DIYers and professionals alike. Pros include its exceptional torque, advanced features like reverse auto-stop, and comprehensive accessory kit. Cons are its weight and potentially higher cost. If you need a powerful, versatile wrench that can handle heavy-duty tasks with confidence, this is a great choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the AO-Ben cordless impact wrench 1/2 inch. With a maximum torque of 600 Newton meters in forward mode and 800 Newton meters in reverse, this wrench is a versatile option for automotive repairs, RV tire changes, and heavy equipment maintenance. Its brushless motor ensures better energy efficiency and durability making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The ergonomic design and LED light make it easy to use in tight spaces or dimly lit environments, while the 4.0 H-amp-hour battery offers solid runtime and fast charging. The AOBen wrench is lightweight and easy to maneuver, but it falls short of the raw power offered by higher-ranked competitors. Its included 6 sockets and storage tool case are practical additions, making it a convenient kit for everyday tasks. While it may not be the most powerful option on our list, its balance of performance, portability, and affordability makes it a great middle ground choice. Pros include its solid torque, brushless motor, and compact design. Cons are its slightly lower torque compared to top contenders. If you're looking for a dependable tool for automotive or household use, this one is a fantastic pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench. This model stands out for its incredible versatility, offering a maximum torque of 550 Newton meters and a top speed of 2,800 RPM. The brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors, making it perfect for tasks like tire changes, furniture assembly, and DIY projects. What's more, it comes with 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries that charge in only 1 hour, ensuring you're always ready to tackle the next task. One of the standout features of the Robustrue wrench is its 3 adjustable speed settings and reverse auto-stop mode, allowing for precise control and added safety. The lightweight design, 3.74 pounds, and compact build make it ideal for extended use, reducing fatigue and making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Although it doesn't offer the highest torque on this list, its balance of performance, user-friendly features, and affordability make it the best all-around option. Pros include its versatile speed control, lightweight design, and quick charging. Cons are its slightly lower torque compared to premium models. If you want a reliable and versatile tool that delivers excellent performance across a range of tasks, the Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.